Have you ever been so frustrated? You're doing everything that you feel like you're supposed to be helping with the business, but you're not getting the success that you need to get. And you haven't had any sales. You're not making any sales in your business. It's frustrating. I know. It's like, you want to pull your hair out to be like, what is going on? I'm doing everything, but nothing is helping. Nothing is working. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? Oh, I know it's frustrating, isn't it? It's so frustrating. Because you'll be like, okay, I've done everything that I'm supposed to do. But how come I'm not making money? I'm not making any sales. What's happening? So there's 3 things that you have to focus on for you to get the success that you're looking for in your business. So when you start doing those 3 things, you're going to start making more sales in your business. So if you're new to me, welcome. My name is Rudo, and here I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your online business. So the first thing that you have to make sure that you have right in your business is the product. You have to make sure you pick the right product. Without the right product, no matter how much traffic you send to your business, no matter how much your website is so beautiful, if your product is not something that people would like to buy, no one's going to buy, and you're not going to make any sale. So you have to make sure the product that you choose is a winning product. And what does that mean? It's a product that solves a problem. That'll be an easy product for you to sell. When it solves a problem, but someone is willing to spend money, to part of their money to have that problem solved, you'll be able to make sales easily. Or a product that someone really desires to say, oh, I really want this, and they really want to have that product that because they really desire it, then you'll be able to make sales with that. So I know a lot of people get lost in when it comes to choosing a product, because especially when they're following all this dropshipping, be like, oh, just go on TikTok, find something which is viral and all this stuff, right? But for the most part, those products, the success is not going to last you that long. We are here to build long-term businesses, not just a fly-by-one-day business where this thing is cool for one day and then the next day it's no longer cool, it's no longer trending, and then you're back to square one again, looking for another product again. No, we want a product that we're going to build a brand around and build the business for long term and get us the success that you want from that business for long term. So make sure the product that you choose, it's a product that solves a problem or a product that someone really desires, and that will help you to start getting sales in your business. So once you have your product picked up, the next thing that you have to make sure that you have right on point with your business for you to get the sales that you're looking for is to have a nice website. It has to be a professional looking website which is going to easily convert all the people that come to your website. So it has to have the product page which talks about the benefits of the products. You're listing it all out, not just features. You have to talk about the benefits of having this product so that people will be able to buy the product easily. Tying in those problems that they have to say, hey, this product is what I've been looking for. It's going to be able to solve those problems that I have. So you have to really put it in your description and make sure you use images that are really nice, that showcase the products, and then gets people to be really excited about the product, get to really see what it looks like, having lifestyle images so that they can get to see what the product looks like on somebody else. So when you have that really dialed in and make it look really nice, make sure that website is not slow, so make sure your images are not too large. You can use lots of apps on Shopify to change the size of your images to make it so that your website doesn't slow down, right? So, and make sure you're using apps that's going to help you to convert even more on your website. And also make sure that you're choosing a theme that's going to really showcase your products, that's going to look really nice. So with traffic, you have to make sure you're sending enough traffic to your website so that you have enough people to be able to convert. So each day, somebody needs to know that you exist. So each day, you need to be marketing your business. You need to be sending so much traffic to your website. You can use either organic strategies like using your content marketing, either using Instagram or Facebook or TikTok right now, which is quite easy for you to get a lot of organic free traffic coming to your website using TikTok. So you can do a lot of videos on TikTok talking about your products, showcasing it and marketing it and sending people to your website. And if you're already doing those TikToks, you can use the same video to put it on Instagram as Reels or on YouTube as Shorts, or even on Pinterest. So there is so much that you can do. You just have to put so much content out there talking about your product, showcasing it, talking about the benefits of your products, and talking about how your product is going to help them solve those problems. And once you've done that, you're going to be attracting your ideal customers and drive them to your website to make those sales for you. So you start getting all those cha-ching ringing on your phone each time you make sales. And if you don't have that much time to be doing all these videos, you can always go the route of running ads. So you can do Facebook ads or TikTok ads, YouTube ads, Twitter ads. There's so many avenues of doing ads, even doing Google ads, right? So especially if you don't have time to be creating all those TikTok videos, you can just run ads and achieve the same kind of results and get sales. So you have to come up with your budget. Even when you're starting small, start with whatever you have. Learn how to run those ads so that you don't lose the money. So don't just run into doing the ads without learning how to do it properly. If you're interested in running Facebook ads, let me know. I can do you a video and show you how to do Facebook ads so that you don't lose so much money with them. With the running ads, right? So once you master it, it's so easy and profitable way for you to get sales. So you have to be sending traffic to your website, and quality traffic to your website. So don't just send any traffic to your website, because they're not going to convert it. They're not interested in your product. So you have to make sure you, with your content and with the ads, you're attracting your ideal customers, and that way you have a higher chance of converting those people when they come to your nicely designed website and showcase your products and that good product that you have that solves a problem or that someone really desires. So having these three things in your business, the product, the website, and the traffic, is going to get you to start getting sales in your business. So sit down and evaluate your business. What's missing in your business? Is it that you don't have a good product? Is it that your website is not converting? Or is it because of traffic? Let us know down below. We're here to help you out. And then you can now diagnose what's happening and then be able to come up with a strategy to fix that and work on those three paths to start getting sales in your business. So I hope this has been useful. My name is Rudo, and here I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your business. So if that's something that you're interested, make sure you subscribe, turn the notification button so that you don't miss any other videos like this where I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your e-commerce business. So for now, stay strong, stay positive, continue building the business that you love, and I'll see you next time, guys. Take care. Bye.